Okay, so today we want to install a new shower fixture. We're going to do it only in PEX tubing. If you haven't tried PEX tubing, the world is moving on without you. It is definitely the future. Galvanized has gone away. Copper's becoming old and antiquated. CPVC and other types of plastic formulations have all gone away. PEX is definitely the future. I've seen it in beginner entry-level homes and multi-million-dollar mansions. You really only need a couple components. A PEX tubing cutter. This one even has a replaceable blade. And then your crimping tool. You could borrow this from a friend if it was a one-time only project for you, but I'd encourage you just to buy one, have it in your toolkit forever. It'll last probably most of your lifetime. All right, so here we're going to cut away the existing water pipe. Now, whenever you open up your walls in a bathroom remodel, always expect the unexpected. We found more rot than we anticipated, but that's kind of normal. Also, this 2x4 stud, which was holding their shower head completely unsupported, look at it just waving there at us. So we'll, of course, have to measure in between this opening and install a new 2x4. Okay, so standard shower fixture height is 36 inches to 48 inches max off your finished floor. So you want to measure up for that. We're going to guesstimate on the finished floor when the shower pan is in. But that's the comfortable range, 36 to 48 inches. Adapter piece on first before we secure this to the wall. It looks like it's going to be a lot quicker and easier. When it's metal against metal, you do need Teflon tape to seal in there. Teflon tape is super easy to work with. Don't be intimidated by that. When you look at the threads, the Teflon tape will go on clockwise. So when you put it into the fitting, it actually tightens that tape up. Trusted pair of channel locks. All right, so the system is made up of these rings, the actual fittings, and they come in every configuration you can think of. This one is simply just a coupler to extend piping. They have 90-degree angles. They have copper to PEX adapters. They have male-female adapters, really everything you can think of. So we're going to go from the existing plumbing from the basement. So you put the ring on first. Then the coupler. Now you want to make sure the fitting is all the way down tight, and then your ring comes up. The gap there on the end of the pipe, the manufacturer specs out at 1/4 inch or less, 1/8 to 1/4 inch. That's what you want to see. And when you crimp that down, they'll be right on the barbs that you want to see. Okay, so your crimper tool is worth your investment. It'll last probably a lifetime. Of course, it has the most common sizes as 3/4 inch, which is your main water lines typically, and 1/2 inch, which is your individual feed. So those are the most two common sizes you'll see in residential plumbing. So you're going to go over the ring. We're at the 1/2 inch size here, and you're going to clamp it firmly down. Okay, and release. You really want to use a go or no go. It might come with the crimper tool, or you might have to buy it on your own. Here it shows 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. So that should gently slide over the ring. If it fits, you're crimped tight enough. If it doesn't fit, you didn't get a good crimp on that. Okay. And then check again with your gauge to make sure that it fits all the way in. When you're cutting PEX tubing, you want to make sure that the cut end is nice and square. So get a quality cutter for sure. So it's a nice 90-degree angle. Make sure you deburr, make sure it's nice and smooth inside, no sharp areas before you put it on the fitting. Okay, all of the crimp fittings are in. We double checked with the go, no go gauge. We did turn on the water with the valve in the off position, let the air come out, turned it on and checked, and it's when we turn it back off, it's holding pressure just fine. We checked every single one of our fittings. I don't have the adapter right now to go from a PEX fitting to a copper fitting for the shower head, so I need to run out and pick that up or just throw this piece of copper away and just run the shower head in PEX as well, which I'll probably do, so it's all in the same material. Good luck. I bet you can do it yourself. You really should try PEX out. It is definitely the way to go for plumbing.